Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Wenger Executive Golf Pro. And this is one of their smaller 65mm Swiss Army knives. And it's discontinued, but you can still find them if you look around on eBay or online. So we have a ball marker and another ball marker that apparently, I don't want to break it off or anything accidentally, but apparently attaches to the scales. There we go. So we have two different ball markers. If you wanted to play the white ball marker or a red ball marker, they snap on like so. That's kind of interesting looking. And you have little golf clubs right there. What is that? Alright, let's see what this thing is. It looks like it's a... I wonder if you use it to count how many shots. Can y'all see that? There's like a little wheel right there. And it has numbers. Numbered 1 to 12. I'm assuming because if you take more than 12 shots, they just determine that you are sad and you've given up on that hole. Let's see. I'm guessing this is one of their generic things that doesn't really, yeah. It's just one of the generic Wenger. These are all of our gizmos and things. I don't know. I kind of want to track down the knife that has number 35, the hook sharpener. Anyway. Alright, so we have a little number wheel here. And we have the standard little knife blade. And for comparison, I dug up the closest thing I could come up with as a comparison. This is the Victorinox Compact Caddy, or Caddy Compact. And so, again, we have a 65 versus a 58mm knife. And this one has a nail file. No nail file on the Compact Caddy. And we've got, oops, we've got a knife trying to escape is what we've got. We've got a divot repair tool, which is kind of interesting. That's kind of cool. And we have the divot repair tool on the Compact Caddy, which is, I feel, a token effort. So, there's a pretty big difference there. Kind of interesting. It's a little more interesting than just the simple tool. And then we've got, okay, so because of the ball marker holder, we lose the toothpick, but we still keep the tweezers. So, we got tweezers. Which isn't too bad. Kind of a nifty little knife. It's interesting. And it comes with two ball markers if you want them. So, not a bad little knife. If you're interested in picking one of these up, check on eBay. They're not really terribly expensive. It was pretty affordable when I picked one up. I want to say it was under 20 bucks. And it's kind of a nifty little knife. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is the Executive Golf Pro actually worth it? Or is it just one of those weird knives that's kind of more gimmick than useful? Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's anything you think I should take a look at, also let me know. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.